Now he's fishing with me. This guy owed me a Stella. He needs to buy me a Stella. I told him there's a big bass over here at this pond. So we decided to come fishing. Glad to see my son come out fishing with me. I don't want nothing from him. I just don't want him to come asking for money when he's looking.
Oh, careful!
I told you.
You okay, baby?
Yeah. Get on the line.
I caught you on camera.
Oh. Oh.
You missed it.
One more. One more. One. Get it.
You missed it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you yanked too hard. You lost the bait now? Okay.
Look at that. Just cast it in, catch right away. You know. Let's go, big, too big. Oh, damn, oh, damn, oh, damn. Look at this, folks. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Double
Two
action.
at the same time.
Same time, yeah. You buy on hot dog bait. No, tucked in.
Careful.
Slip. I told my friend too. Over there.
Right there.
No, that's a small. There's a big one. There's splash. Do you see that? Splash away because they're eating this bait fish. Big one though. You watch. Boom. I don't know how to catch him. Let me try one more. Put it on video. There you go. Spotted bait. Take two. Look at that. Got it.
Got it?
It's a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh, darn it. See that? See how easy it is? You gotta wiggle. You gotta do the wiggle. Watch. Oh shoot, missed the spot. Hold on.
What kind of bait you using?
Sticky crawdad. That was like over a week. Watch. They love this. Love this float. You don't need to buy bait. Look. Go right. Go. Let my son go first. Right there. Watch. When they hit the water. Come on, big one. I want to get a red ear. There you go. Big cast. One bite, just big cast. Right there. Three. A little bit farther.
It's a nice day, huh? No wind.
That's pretty. only passed him 2 days, but let it bite. Wait for it. Big one.
You got it?
Big one.
All right.
Damn. Oh, that's a red ear, Adam. Is it?
No, it's not.
No.
Sun is down now.
He's following it. He's on there. He's on there. He's on there. Still on? Yeah, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, he's a baby? Yeah. Really? He's on there. He's not my bait. He's coming up and hitting it. I see him right behind it. What's that big old wave right there? Did you see it? Recast. Yeah, so you see the bait. I caught that video though. Oh, you still had him?
Gonna put you on YouTube.
Come on, got a YouTube channel. I showed him all the little old videos of us.
Yeah?
Remember that one?
Yeah, on little what's it called?
Patterson shit.
And then
Deep channel?
no, fucking go to Bay
Lazy
Area.
M?
No, I don't want.
Oh, Mazda?
Monster, yeah.
Oh, Windmill Cove.
Window Cup too. That was an earlier one. Yeah.
You got it? Oh my god, you just threw it in. Good job, baby. Look at that.
It's swollen. It looks so.
That was
Nice
quick.
size one, bro.
Right next to your line.
You just threw it in and it bite right away.
It's a big one. That's.
Yeah, I seen him just barely. He wasn't heavy enough to take the ball runner. Oh.
You get eaten by a bass.
Sick. Where you going?
There you go.
He swallowed it.
It's in there, huh? Dude, I'm telling you, he was just chilling. He was moving.
You need to take that tire out.
What tire? This tire? No, it's fine.
Oh, it's gone.
Pull that bitch. I got you in the hook. Hey, leave it. I'm gonna throw this in. You walk.
All right, bring it in.
Oh.
Where is it?
Lose it.
Came off.
Is the noise on?
Did it came off?
Yeah, it's still there.
All right, nice.
Baby one.
Yeah, take everything.
Got him.
You got it?
Got him.
There you go. All right. You having fun, Kobe?
Yeah.